In the heart of London, beneath the bustling streets, lies a station with a chilling secret. Russell Square Underground Station, known for its historical significance, holds a haunting tale that has left its staff bewildered and unsettled. A former Transport for London worker told that it was a Saturday. One of my duties was to see the last train out. As I made my way towards the tunnel mouth, an unsettling feeling crept over me. The train came to a halt, and as the doors opened, there she was, a little girl standing right in front of me. She was about 4.5, 5 years old, long blonde hair tied up with a bow. Transport worker asked her where you came from. She looked at him with innocent eyes and said, "Please, can you help me? I've lost my mummy." Transport worker searched everywhere, but he could not find the mum. As he turned back to the little girl, ready to deliver the news, she had vanished into thin air. He couldn't believe his eyes. Where had she gone? Later, in the office, I watched CCTV footage, but she was nowhere to be seen. I felt a chill run down my spine. 10 years later, at a staff get-together, someone spoke up. A colleague who had also encountered the same little girl on the eastbound platform. We weren't crazy. We had witnessed something unexplainable. So, next time you find yourself Russell Square Station, keep your eyes peeled. Please subscribe, share and follow for more interesting videos.